Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday we have completed the part of question answers, but there is one thing left. What is that one thing? Think and answer. Question only it is. Think and answer. You have to think why it had happened. Think and answer. What you have to think and answer? Question goes like this. Why did Tenali Raman use a trick Why did Tenali Raman use a trick to make the king realize his mistake instead of directly telling him. This is quite a big question, but here they gave the options. We have to use these points to answer. What points they gave? The king would get angry. He may have refused to listen to Raman and asked him to leave the court. Raman wanted the king to realize his mistake on his own without pointing out at his mistake. Through such an example, he can understand what mistake he had done. Using these clues, we can answer. What I feel is, first thing, directly see, king is a superior one. If we go and tell you are wrong, means he may get angry and punish. Yes or no? So instead, he wanted him to learn a lesson through his mistake on his own instead of others pointing out at his mistake. How? Let us write the answer. This is the question. So, its answer goes like this. Again, I have to rub the board because this place is not enough. This is the question. What is the question? Why did Tenali Raman use a trick to make the king realize his mistake instead of directly telling him? Why did Tenali Raman use a trick to make the king realize his mistake instead of directly telling him? This is the question. It is on page number 38 at the bottom, D bit. So you can use the textbook for copying this question. I am writing the answer on the blackboard. Answer for this think and answer question. So, Tenali Raman used a trick. Tenali Raman used a trick to make the king realize to make the king realize his mistake. This is taken from the question only. You have this sentence in the question itself. Tenali Raman used a trick to make the king realize his mistake instead of directly telling him. Instead of directly telling him. Because the king instead of directly telling him, because the king would get angry if anyone pointed at his mistake. Anyone pointed at his mistake. Moreover, he wanted the king to realize his mistake. The king to realize his mistake on his own. The king would realize his mistake on his own, instead of anybody telling him that you have done a wrong thing. He is a king, a powerful person. He may punish them, getting angry at them. So, through such an example, the jester Tenali Rama wanted to make the king learn what mistake he had done. Understand? This is why Tenali Raman used a trick to make the king realize his mistake. So what should be the answer? Tenali Raman used a trick to make the king realize his mistake instead of directly telling him, because the king would get angry if anyone pointed at his mistake. Moreover, he wanted the king to realize his mistake on his own. This is the answer. Okay, next, what we are going to do? We are using prefixes to write the opposites. What are prefixes? First, let me teach you. So, I hope this answer is clear to you. Now, we are going to learn prefixes. What is prefix? Prefix is a set of 2 or 3 letters. Set of 2 or 3 letters which are used in the beginning of the word to make its opposite. Prefix. Fix means to add, to join. Fix means to add or to join. Pre means beginning, in the beginning. Pre means in the beginning. Fix means join. That is how prefix. What are prefixes? Prefixes are the group of letters, 2 or 3 letters used in the beginning of the word, joined to the word in its beginning to make its opposite. For example, happy. Understand? We can write unhappy. Unhappy. What we made? Here in the beginning we added un. Regular. Regular. Irregular. IR we added and we wrote the same word. Understand? Complete. Incomplete. Understand? Like this. What one more? Obey. Disobey. And proper, improper. In this way, you see everywhere 2 letters, 3 letters are added in the beginning of the word. So, pre means in the beginning. What in the beginning? Fixing means adding. Pre means in the beginning. Fix means to add. So, what we added? Either 2 letters or 3 letters we have added to the word to get its opposites. Such letters which are used in the beginning of the words to get their opposites, they are called prefixes. Okay. So, here on page number 41, we have this exercise. Page number 41, we have this exercise. In your textbook, on page number 41, we have this exercise. Use an, im, and in to form the opposites. You have a textbook. First you write in your textbook on page number 41. We have this. They have given a space. I am writing. On the board you can write in the textbook taking a pencil. Of these words, use an, im, and in to form the opposites of these words. Some words are given here. You are writing in the beginning these an, im or in and making the what? Opposites. For example, first one they made even. Its opposite they added uneven. Second, complete. Incomplete. Third, possible. Impossible means not possible. Comfortable. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Visible. Invisible. Then perfect. Imperfect. Only these 6 are given in your textbook. Even, uneven, unused. Okay. Complete, incomplete, unused. Possible, impossible, unused. Comfortable, uncomfortable, we used un. Visible, invisible, we used. Perfect, imperfect, we used. I am going to give some more on my own. Please copy them. These are from the textbook. You are writing in the textbook. Few more I am giving you on the blackboard. You must copy them. Let me rub the board completely. Heading is already there. In your notebook also you are writing with the given heading. And what I am giving on the blackboard now, you are writing them also in your notebook. 6 are from the textbook. 7th, happy, unhappy. 8th, proper, improper. Proper, improper. Known, unknown. Known, unknown. Then correct, incorrect. Correct, incorrect. Okay. Polite. They are given down in the box. Impolite. Next, complete, incomplete I gave. It is there. Okay. Possible, impossible also we have. Tidy, untidy. Tidy, untidy. 13th, visible, invisible. We have. Comfortable, uncomfortable we have. Expected, unexpected. Patient, impatient. Patient, impatient. Used, used, unused, unused. So these are the words. I give some extra. Happy, unhappy, proper, improper, known, unknown, correct, incorrect, polite, impolite, tidy, untidy, expected, unexpected, patient, impatient, used, unused. These also copy in your notebook. And under these words in your textbook, they have given few sentences. Complete these sentences with the opposites of the words in the box. In the box, words are given, their opposites were forming. Already they are formed. You have a list in your notebook, what I wrote on the blackboard. Now and in the textbook, just now I told you to copy. Those together, you are searching and writing. She could not finish her answer on time. Her exam paper remained complete, incomplete. Rehan's mother has asked him to clean his room. It was very untidy, unclean. Tidy is given, you should write untidy. This bed is too soft. It is very dash to sit on. Uncomfortable. Comfortable is given, you should write uncomfortable. On drinking the magic potion, the man started fading away. He was becoming invisible. It is dash to leave the table before everybody has finished the meal. Impolite. Humans are yet to travel to the sun. Such a journey seems impossible. So first one incomplete, second one untidy, third blank, uncomfortable, fourth invisible, fifth one impolite, sixth one impossible. Okay, you are writing them in your textbook, and tomorrow again I will tell you, you must check the answers. Then only I will go to next bit on grammar. Okay, so thank you children. This is it for today. Very short class because I can't mix up all the things together. That's why I want to put an end to my class here itself. So tomorrow we are going to have another topic. So that's it for today. Thank you.